Welcome students to my channel Game Master. Today we will going to study some common functional groups in organic compounds. Because while any organic reaction containing functional group is very important to study, and there may be some two or more functional groups can be present at a time in a single compound. So you should identify which functional group is reactive and which is less reactive. So let us start with the first simple functional group containing carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkane. Carbon-carbon double bond containing functional groups are known as alkenes. Carbon triple bond carbon is alkynes. Then important functional group, that is RCOOH, is known as acid or carboxylic acids. Then RCOOR, known as esters. Then RCONH2, amides. Then RCOCl or RCOX, known as acid halides. Then one of the important functional group, ROH, known as alcohols. RX, known as halides. RSH, known as thiols, or they are also known as mercaptans. Then important functional group, that is RCHO, aldehydes. RCOR, ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are very important functional groups. 80% of functional group contains carbonyl group. Then RNH2, amines. RC triple bond N, nitriles. ROR, known as ethers. Carbon, oxygen, carbon, this type of structure is known as epoxides. Then epoxides, or they are also known as oxyranes. NO2 groups are known as nitro groups. NO groups are known as nitroso groups. S R, they are sulfides. RCO, OCOR, they are known as anhydrides. Then comes aromatic groups. Phenyl is one of the important functional group. Benzyl, PHCH2, benzyl group, carbon double bond oxygen. They are one of the important intermediate functional group that is known as ketene. ROOR, known as peroxides. Then ROCONH2, they are known as carbamate. So in the CSIR NET exam, question asked on the functional group for 4 marks. Identify the functional groups. Then allenes. There are 3 carbon atoms. The central atom is sp hybridides. This functional group is known as allene. Then RSOR, like ketone, in place of carbon sulfur is given, therefore thione. RC double bond S NH2, like acidamide, like thioamide, because sulfur is also known as thio group. Then RSOR, they are known as sulfoxides. They are known as sulfones, because sulfur is having valency 2, 4, 6. RSR, known as thioether. In some reaction, this intermediate is formed, and which is also one of the functional group. RN double bond C double bond O, known as isocyanate. If in place of oxygen there is a sulfur, then this is known as isothiocyanate. RSSR, known as disulfides. RN double bond C double bond N single bond are known as carbodimide. R3NO, this functional group is known as N oxides. RN double bond C, known as imine. RN double bond O, nitroso. RC double bond N CH2 NH2 is known as enamine. NH2 CONH2 is known as urea. Then NH2 is known as hydrazine. R and double bond N are known as azo functional group. RNOH are known as hydroxylamine. This three-member ring containing nitrogen is known as aziridine. Five-member nitrogen containing ring functional group is known as pyrrolidine. Sometimes phosphorus containing groups are also present. So RP are known as phosphine or phosphine. Boron containing functional groups are also important. They are known as boranes. So these are the important functional groups which are commonly observed while studying organic name reactions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.